Ki MLA ke Kongres haka khandru tarik ubnai rempang Hajar Arpuar. Kilalit ikendo yo Symbud Myntri Rangbah Kejela ba Preston Tunsong banikran ha kebayday bat ki Pynroi haki Constituency jongki. Kamtam ha kebayday bat gejing penkre bat kedorbar mang tengka ke Bansalong ha ubnai banwan. Ki sangut ki MLA ki bakentup i Dr. Amprin Lengdo ubak proses ti saukume ubak kemfa marbanyang ubak meral bonds iem bat ubak Mohendro Rapsang. Kilalet je kendo i Symbud Myntri Rangbah Kejela ban pensngo hakmat jong ya ki jingdan kam ki patba ke Constituency jongki ki Pynroi kamtam habasyan kini ki MLA kidang supenya so bat ke sorkar MDA. I Dr. Amprin Lengdo ilong bakile keren ru kebaydai bat kedorbar mang tengka ke bansa sedang ha ubnai banwan. Bat ki senjam ke baki MLA ke Kongres ke diban leah kedorbar. Ilong bau Symbud Myntri Rangbah udan kebenta ban betin lenti yaki bat kem kuwa bakan don keno kajing penkulmare ki patba. Ha kebaydai bagajing syak sospon barok sangut ki MLA i Dr. Amprin Lengdo ibade kenong ilam jangka Kongres Legislature Party. Ilong baki nong ilam ke Kongres kila sospon ha kajing start jongki bat kiru kinsale ke badan kam ha kapor ke babiang. Ilong bayamentahi ki MLA ke Kongres kim kuat ban keren AA halor kejing syak sospon. Hendrai hadian khat arsni kinsa syong perkhat bat kinsa syam Mekarai ke ban menjur lang nabaro.
We leave it to the NPP to handle this agenda because we are here just yesterday. We've just decided to support the MDA government. Right now, our reasons for joining the MDA government were very clear. Our constituencies and their development is of prime importance. Allegations are something which will again deviate us from that. So you have to respect the fact that we are just here 3 days, 4 days now. You cannot want to take on all issues that are of little significance to me. Right now, I'm concentrating on what I need to do for my constituency, and each of our colleagues is concentrating on that. We would like to see at least our projects see the light of day. And right now, there are very, very many projects of that nature. So we do not want to distract ourselves from this debate on coal, which I'm telling you again. Do not underestimate what I know about the entire coal saga. But I don't have enough information to go forward with that. And if there seems to be some sort of an issue that continues to linger around this coal saga, then let the NPP handle it. It would be correct. It would be correct because we cannot take too much baggage into our going into the MDA. We have 11 months flat and we don't want to get distracted on this. So see, few things we say with a pinch of salt, but few things we are serious about. And development is something which we are very focused on. And we need to make sure that in this little time that we have with the government, we make our mileages and make sure that that mileage will benefit our constituencies. That disclosure will happen when the assembly session starts. Now we came to meet with the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister to obviously discuss the plan of action for that session. So we are here to discuss and look at the roles that we will be assigned in that session. We shouldn't forget that being a Deputy CM, he also will give us that guidance because we do not want to project any further confusion to the public who's already in a state of confusion. We gravitate, we consolidate, and that's exactly what we want to do.
But ma'am, the Assembly Speaker yesterday, he said that the Congress is yet to give any communication to his office on the suspension of the 5 legislators.
Let me tell you one thing, the technicalities of this entire discussion is beyond our control. They have suspended us in their wisdom, and we shall deal with that suspension in our wisdom. Now, you can't expect to be dribbling the ball all the time from one side of the court. The ball goes from this end to that end. So we will take our own decisions as and when the time and the need arises. We will not comment further. Like we told you, after 12 days, we will sit collectively and take a collective decision.
Symbud Myntri Rangbah ke Jelau ba Preston Tunsong uloong bagi sangut ki MLA ke Kongres ke belawan ajing kersane ke Sorkar MDA kim sem labu setia ya kanu ke kendon ni ban pan ki Skhim bat ke jingwan juki kedai hadian bikili yo ke jing trekam jong ke Sorkar MDA ha ki South Nam ki Leit kam tam ke jing persang jong ke Sorkar ban penbet ya ke kam metor bat uput usam bat ke Jela Asam. Ulang bagi Sorkar kan sepenan kami ke jing syakri jeng kini ki MLA ke Kongres na ke benta ke bah kami jeng ke Jela kam tam benta haba kila don lang ha ke Sorkar.
See, for me, let me just tell you only one line. I think not very long ago, I've already given the statement very, very clearly. Please jump out of the sinking ship. So I think it has happened. It has happened. The political development that has just happened recently, especially if we talk about Congress Party, I think I don't have to explain anything. The first lot, 12 of them, they joined TMC. And again, the second lot, in fact, they did not join any party, but they only gave unconditional support to the MDA government led by Conrad Sangma. From the MDA side, from the government side, we welcome the decision taken by the 5 Congress MLAs who has decided to join and support the MDA government. I think the question of whether BJP is backing MDA government or not does not arise. We form MDA government with different political parties, and the present setup will continue till the end of the term. And in addition to this, the latest news is 5 MLA Congress has also joined the MDA government, which I personally feel this is a very, very good sign for the MDA government as well as for the 5 Congress MLAs who decided to support the MDA government.
Uba Preston Tunsong uba kemiru ya ketenat Parliamentary Affairs uloong bagi sangut ki MLA ke belasya asas pon ha keseng Kongres kidang dehi ki MLA ke Kongres. Henry lada ki sya abe seng no kin kelalong no kum ki MLA klem seng tang bakin lapat bandit penyeso bat kanu ke seng san perthai. Halor kejing keli lakan bo ek Sorkar MDA ha kejing kamtam haba kadang don kejing saat teng jong kejing tian bishar ya ka mukoduma persyai Dr. Amprin Lengdo. Halor kejing thungkam ha ketenat pulih putih. Uba Preston Tunsong uloong ba on omla ban peniadaya ke mukoduma ba kejing wan jing kersah nek Sorkar Jela. Namar kam don jingedai ruem ha pedang kakam mukoduma bat kejing wan jing kersah ya ke Sorkar.
Ultimately, if expulsion takes place, they'll become MLA independent. They cannot join any other party. The moment they get expulsion letter from their high command or from the MPCC, whatever it may be, they will become independent from that moment.